And here we go. What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Friday, April 4th, and today's video, we do have Costco's Clearance Fridays. I did try my best not to show repeat items, but I am trying to make the video entertaining. I also added some worthy online clearance deals as well. Not too many, just a couple of them. Let's get into the video. And starting the video off with a manager special at my local warehouse. Now, if you are in the market for a new TV, this month and next month will be a great time to pick one up. We're going to start seeing a lot of clearance here in the TV section because Costco needs to bring in all the new models that just came out. Right in front of us, a Samsung 70-inch DU6900 series marked down to $310 even. That 00 indicates a manager special. At your local warehouse, it may end in a 97, indicating a clearance price. We already saw the Bravia 3 series on clearance. We saw the Q72D, and now we saw the DU6900 series. Already 3 TVs on clearance. If you do need a little bit help choosing what type of TV to buy, I suggest you watch my top 20 TVs you can buy here at Costco. That video will give you a little bit of guidance. In the number 2 spot, this time from Stylecraft, we have the Ardeen. This is our 3-light floor lamp. Now, this lamp does look pretty amazing in person, but unfortunately, today, they did not have one on display. Has beautiful brass accents on the base and on the stems of the actual lamp. What I also like about it is the glass on it has this beautiful glaze, a champagne glaze that does add a little bit more warmth to the light. That's also great. You can pick it up now for $29.97. That's more than 50% off. In the number 3 spot, this time from Shark, we have their Matrix Plus Robot Vacuum. Now, the original price of this vacuum is $349.99. They did have a nice discontinued deal a couple of weeks ago that I did post. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it at the end of this video. I do provide a good amount of information. Now, currently, they did mark it on clearance. We can see here they did bring the price down to $299.97. Unfortunately, the discontinued deal was actually better. So if you are in the market for this vacuum, definitely wait till they drop it even more in price. I'm hoping it drops down below $200. In the number 4 spot at my local warehouse, we do have another manager special right in front of me. Now we have the Delta Unicorn bookcase. You can see there that the clearance price was $49.97. Anything that ends in a 97 is a clearance price. Anything that ends in a 00 is a manager special. Now, even though it's a manager special, doesn't mean there's only one left. They had a bunch of those left. In the number 5 spot, this time from Frigidaire, we have their Gallery Nugget Ice Maker. It does make 44 pounds of ice per day. That is a lot of ice. Currently, it's double the price at Costco.com for $199.99. Here at Costco, it's on clearance at a great price. It's nice, it's compact, it's countertop. You can see right there, not too big at all. Now, it does have an auto self-cleaning function, which is great. That little tray right there in the center does hold up to 3 pounds of ice in that basket. Also great. So you do have to remove it multiple times a day in order to get that 44 pounds. But right in front of us, it's on clearance for $99.97. In the number 6 spot, this time from Cuisinart, we have their variable speed immersion blender. Now, this immersion blender does come with a food processor attachment and a whisk, and it's pretty simple to switch from one attachment to the other. Very simple, actually. Now, the original price on this unit was $39.99. It's currently on clearance for $29.97. Not that great of a price drop. Usually the sale price is about $30, so 25% off, not that great. So if you are in the market for this blender, I do suggest you wait till next week. Hopefully it drops down to $19.97, and that'll be 50% off. That's more like it. So here it is, $29.97 on clearance, the item number in the bottom right corner. Now, if you are looking for a greater clearance price and do want to wait for the following week to see if it drops even more, you definitely have to take into consideration how much inventory is left of the current item. So if you have more than a half a pallet, most likely you'll be safe for the following week. If you have less than a half a pallet, you do have to take in consideration the weekends. The weekends are very busy at Costco. Do not underestimate how much sells during the weekend. So right in front of us, we have the NutriBullet that does have less than a half a pallet. Now, most likely this will be not most likely, guaranteed this will be gone by the weekend. It's on clearance, even a greater price drop at $59.97. In the number 8 spot, this time from Cuisinart, we have their 12-cup food processor. Now, currently in my local warehouse, we have a ton of inventory left, and the clearance price, it's not that great. I was expecting maybe $99 or maybe $129, but $149, that's definitely a no. We need a larger clearance drop than that. Definitely wait either next week or the following week. We should see a great drop. Currently, the price is $149.97. Check how much inventory we have left at my local warehouse. We have plenty of attachments. This does have a good warranty, a 10-year warranty, so keep that in mind as well. So hopefully next week we'll see $99, but currently $149.97. And then directly behind me, this time from Tramatina, we have their 2-pack of Dutch ovens. Now, currently, these are not on sale. They're not on clearance, but they have been marked discontinued. You can see the star in the top right corner. So hopefully, we'll keep our eyes on this product to see how much it drops in price. Now, I did buy these last year. They all chipped on me. I wasn't too crazy about the quality, but my friend here at Costco told me to bring it back. He's not going to ask me any questions. They'll return it. They'll give me new ones, whatever I want. So that's what I did. I brought them back. I got new ones. No questions asked. Bing, bang, boom. I didn't feel embarrassed. I was happy about that. Now, I was pretty pumped. I got new ones. And to my right, we have their cast iron skillet, and it does match. The lids match. That's why I like this year's set. Because it has the matching lids. I bought the white. The blue looks amazing as well. So if you like blue, or if you have a Thermador oven at your home, it will match the blue knobs. Pretty cool. $44.99 for the skillet. Hopefully this does drop in price as well. And let's head over to the jewelry section. We do have a couple of watches I do want to show you. If you're a fan of Luminox, we do have the Raptor on sale right in front of us. Let's get a nice close-up shot of that. Just give me 1 second. So here we go. We have the Luminox Raptor on clearance. Check that watch out. $499.97 on clearance. If you don't have it at your local warehouse, you could also pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price. Currently on clearance there as well. Also on clearance, we do have the Timex right in front of us. This is their men's expedition watch. Now it does have a gunmetal stainless steel case. It's 43 millimeters in diameter, has a quartz movement, a sapphire crystal. You can pick it up here at Costco for $129.97. If you don't have it at your local warehouse, it's also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. You can pick it up there as well. It does have a tide tracker and a thermometer, which is pretty great, that does measure air and water temperature. Keep in mind, it's also available online for $129.97. Another item you should keep your eyes on right here from Fantic, your X100. This is their car vacuum. Even though it looks like a drill, it's an actual vacuum. The price on it is $39.99. It's not on clearance. It's not on sale. It's full price, but it has been marked discontinued. Hopefully next week we'll see a nice price drop on it, $39.99. We are doing a new giveaway this month. We have 2 options to choose from. We have the NutriBullet blender and we have this Fantic toolkit. Both options are amazing, but we will announce the new giveaway this Saturday or Sunday on my new Amazon video. So let's talk about this Fantic toolkit very quickly. The original price was $89.99. They brought it down to $79, and today they applied a $50 discount, bringing the price down to $29.99. Pretty amazing price. Why? Because this toolkit does include the S1 Pro. That's a multi-bit cordless electric screwdriver. You can see there to the far right. Pretty amazing price at $29.99. In the number 14 spot, another item I did want to show you. Now this product has been marked discontinued. This is what I call a discontinued deal from Fight. Has a great discount, not necessarily a clearance price, but a good discount. It's a 2-pack of shop lights. Now what's nice about these shop lights, you can hang them or you can flush mount them to the ceiling. Also, what's pretty nice, you can link up to 6 units together. They're very bright at 5,000 lumens. Now, this is great for the garage, the workshop, utility room, you name it, the basement. Check out that price, $5 off, only $20.99. And then directly behind me, once again from Fight, we have their outdoor coach lanterns. Now these lanterns, look how much inventory is available. So much inventory. It's dropped down from $29.99 down to $19.97 on clearance. About 30% off, 33%. Great clearance price. Hopefully drops down even more, down to $10. That's what I want to see. I want to pick one up. These are 14 inches. They're nice. I like the way they look. A lot of complaints on the install process. The reviews at Costco.com are not the greatest. That's why I believe these are not selling. So I will try to buy one and maybe install it, see what the problem is, what is everybody struggling with. These right now, $19.97. In the number 16 spot, this time from Cat, we have their Cube Lithium portable jump starter. Now this jump starter is a 4-in-1, so you can jump start cars, has a built-in air compressor, 120 psi, has a power station with AC ports, has a 120 volt AC outlet that does provide 200 watts. It's on clearance currently for $99.97. In the number 17 spot, this time from Moen, we have a nice price drop. This is their Verso Rain Shower Spray Head. It's a 7-inch spray face that does provide a full face coverage, has an infinity dial, very easy to install. Now the clearance price before this drop was $29.97. You can see here a nice $10 drop. Amazing price, easy upgrade to any home. This is pretty much around a $60, $70, $80 shower head. If you were to buy it on Amazon, it's about $89, maybe $90. Here at Costco, you can pick it up on clearance, $19.97 if you're lucky enough to have it at your local warehouse. Another awesome deal here at Costco.com. We have the Bosch, a 91-piece drill and driving set. So this is good for your impact driver and your drill. Check out that price, $24.97. That's an unbelievable price for this drill set. Great deal here. Plenty of different attachments to choose from. It's good for your impact driver. I love it. Great price at $24.97. I did post a video yesterday with Costco's new arrivals. So many new products here at the warehouse. I have to make a 2-part series. Make sure you go ahead and watch yesterday's video. Now right in front of us, we have a little teaser for next week's video. We have the Kirkland Signature. These are the new golf balls available at Costco. The Yellow Performance Plus, the V3s, $27.99. Also directly behind me, back in stock again. Once again, we have their premium pickleball set. Even though this is not on clearance, the price is pretty amazing. You get 2 max paddles, 3 pickleball balls, and then 1 sling bag. Now the quality on this set is pretty excellent. You can pick it up here at the warehouse for $59.99. If you do want to pick it up at Costco.com, it's $10 more. Now I did want to head back to the front of the store. I want to show you the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker. We've seen this so many times on my channel. We've seen it on clearance online. We've seen it in the warehouse on clearance, and check it out. It's back on clearance out of the blue. I'm not too sure where it came from. Now I wasn't going to show you this product. We've seen it already so many times, but a lot of people sold out. Check your local warehouse. See if it's back in stock. I do provide the item number in the bottom right hand corner. You can always call Costco or check your app. It's 8.5 quarts. It has 8 different cooking functions. The roasting rack is oven safe up to 500 degrees. Here it is on clearance once again. The reviews are amazing on it. $69.97. So when it comes to clearance items here at Costco, every Friday I like to post the deals. Sometimes I do show repeat items, but I try my best not to. But I have to make the video entertaining, right? So even though I post the deals every Friday, you can go back and watch last week's video or the week before that. A lot of those deals, a lot of those clearance deals are still available, and you should watch them. Why not? So right in front of us in the number 21 spot from Mikasa, we have their 65-piece flatware set, a service for 12. It's a very large set, so we have 2 different finishes you can choose from. We have a satin finish, and we also have a polished finish. So here it is on clearance, $59.97. In the number 22 spot, this time from Columbia, we have the men's leather belt. We have brown, and we also have black available. A lot of black available. Now these are 1.5-inch thick, wide. They also have a single prong harness buckle. So you can see there, pretty nice belts, especially for a leather belt. Why not? Super cheap. Now we have medium, large, and XL. The large, 36 to 38 waist. We have XL, we have brown, we have black. Now these are available at Costco.com for $17. Here at the warehouse on clearance, $9.97. We also got the Nike hoodies back in stock at Costco.com online. Now these are the dry fit hoodies. Check out that price. We have navy, black, and white. All 3 of them are back in stock. $26.97 for a Nike hoodie is a unbelievable price. These are moisture wickening. They have the logo on the left chest. Great price at $26.97. Last week, we did show the Puma sports bra for the ladies on sale. Now, you could actually buy those at Costco online store and potentially save even more money if you do buy multiple packages, because it does qualify for the buy 5, save $20. Now, right in front of us, we have the Puma seamless bikini underwears. Now, these are also great for the ladies. Now, these do come in a 4-pack. They're super soft, microfiber fabric, ultra stretch, lightweight, tag free. A lot of ladies love these. Now these are on clearance here at Costco, only $6.97. And next up, we have the flocked hangers for our little ones. These are kids hangers that do come in a 60 pack. They have that non-slip design, 360-degree swivel, and they have the soft velvet on the outside. Check out that price, only $14.97. Now these are available at Costco.com, an online item only on clearance for $14.97. In the number 26 spot, this time from LG, we have their soundbar. Now, at my local warehouse, $400 manager special, but I've seen it at other warehouses for $399.97. So keep that in mind. So right in front of us, $400, has that waterfall display, so it has the bracket that connects to the back of the TV, so it can hang below it. Has a subwoofer. It's a 3.1 surround sound soundbar. Has Dolby Atmos, which is great. $400 even manager special. In the number 27 spot, right in front of us from Tommy, we have their 2-pack USB car charger. These are 40 watts. I couldn't find it anywhere, so that means most likely it was sold out. Great price at $9.97. Awesome price. Don't forget, we also have the power bank in front of us to my left. They have a little bit left at my local warehouse. Now, these are from my charge, excuse me. These are the Power Max. These are pretty nice as well. I need to buy one myself. Pretty nice, $29.97. We've seen this a few times on my video. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We are a new channel, so I do need all the support I can get. If you want to support the channel, all we ask is for that thumbs up button, like, comment, and share. Leave a comment below, why not? Follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. And if you want to see my grocery haul, what I bought today, hang tight, let me walk to the car and you can see. And let's see what I bought today. I got the NutriBullet Ultra at $59.97 on clearance. Just in case we are going to do this for the giveaway, I got 2 packages of the grass-fed beef patties. These are 80/20, about $5.50 a pound. The regular beef at Costco is $88.12. That's $4.99 a pound. Even though this has more calories, it's much better for you. It's grass-fed beef. I got 2 of the lamps. These lamps are awesome. I bought 2. Maybe I should do one as a giveaway. I got the air chill chicken breast, and then I got cucumbers. All right, friends. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.